Algebra is a branch of pure mathematics with arithmetic, geometry, trigonometry, statistics and some other branches. Algebra is mostly like arithmetic. We all know that arithmetic deals with numbers and basic math operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And algebra follows the rules of arithmetic. Whereas algebra deals with numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, like up to n, operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also a new element which are called symbols of alphabetic A to Z. Now, what are unknown numbers? To see this arithmetic equation, 1 plus 2 is equal to a question mark. That is, the question mark is an unknown number. So, after calculation of 1 and 2, so after adding 1 with 2, then we get the answer. So, before calculation, we doesn't know the answer. So, it is an unknown number to us. So, in arithmetic, we keep a question mark for the answer. So, for how much, like, or otherwise we keep a blank in place of the question mark as an unknown number. But in algebra, we can't leave empty or a blank place in the place of unknown number. Here in algebra, we place an element, that is symbol of any alphabet of English, in the place of blank, which is an unknown number. So, we are placing x here in this case. So, 1 plus 2 becomes x. Now, this is a basic algebraic equation. So, 1 plus 2 is equal to x is a basic and simple algebraic equation with numbers, operators and with alphabet symbols for unknown number. Some more examples are 2 plus 5 is equal to x, 4 plus 5 is equal to a, 8 minus 2 is equal to m. We can take any alphabetic symbol for unknown numbers. So finding out the value of unknown number by using numbers, operators and alphabetic symbols is known as algebra. That means we have to find out the value of x. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to x. Adding 1 and 2, we get 3. So 3 is equal to x, which can be written as x is equal to 3. So now value of x, which is an unknown number, is 3 now. See some important rules and some symbol properties and the rules to use symbols. Rule number 1, the same symbol, for example x, can be used in two different equations may have different values. So rule number one, now the first take this equation 1 plus 2 is equal to x, that is 3 is equal to x, that means x is equal to 3, the value of x is 3. And now the second equation 2 plus 3 is equal to x, the 5 is equal to x and x is equal to 5, the value of x is 5. In the first equation x value is 3, whereas in the second it is 5. So the value of same symbol may vary or changes from problem to problem and from equation to equation. So it is showing the value of x may differ or change from equation to equation or from problem to problem. Now rule number 2, the symbol x cannot have two different values in the same equation. So take this equation x plus x is equal to 10. We have taken x as a symbol for two unknown numbers. So x plus x is equal to 10. If the value of first x is 6, the value of second x must be 4. For the same x symbol, how can we accept the different numbers? It won't be acceptable. So the symbol x cannot have two different values in the same equation. So if there are two unknown numbers, we can assign two symbols. So like x for first number and y for second number. Now the equation will be x plus 5 is equal to 10. If x is 6, then y becomes 4. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, which satisfies the equation. For two unknown numbers, don't assign the same symbols. For two unknown numbers in the same equation, assign two different symbols like x and y. Two, the symbols cannot have two different values in the same equation is clear. Now rule number 3, two different symbols x and y can have same values in the same equation. So x plus y is equal to 10 now. Suppose the value of x is 5, then value of y becomes 5 to satisfy the equation. So x plus 5 is equal to 10, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. The value of x and y is 5 and both are having same values. Number 3, two different symbols x and y can have same values in the same equation. Observing the following, x plus y is equal to 10. In the first case, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. Values of x and y are different. X plus 5, y is equal to 10. That means 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. X is 5 and y is 5. Values of x and y are same. So the two different symbols may have different values in some equations, but sometimes they may have same values in some equations. Number 1, the value of x may differ or change from equation to equation. That means value of symbol x or any alphabet symbol changes or varies from problem to problem. Now rule number 2, the symbol x cannot have different values in the same equation. Now rule number 3, two different symbols x and y may have same values in the same equation. These are the three important rules in algebra. So now take m plus n is equal to 2 is an algebraic equation. M and n symbols are alphabets stands for two unknown numbers. The symbols m and n like x and y, any alphabets, are called variable numbers and are used for unknown numbers. Now what are variable and why these are called variables? So m plus n is equal to 2. Now we give values for symbols m and n and write all the possible equations. Then the first equation 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Second equation 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Third equation 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. These three are possible equations. If m is 0, then n becomes 2. If m is 2, then n becomes 0. If m is 1, then n becomes 1 to satisfy the equation. So now observation, if m is 0, n must be 2. If m is 2, n must be 0. If m is 1, n must be 1. For the given equation, m plus n is equal to 2. So when m changing, then n is also changing. That means if m varies, then n is also varies. Here we can call m and n symbols used for unknown numbers or variables. So in algebra, alphabets from A to Z used as symbols for unknown numbers are called variables. Lastly, in this class, we discuss something about operators. This is a very important thing to know. The operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For addition and subtraction of numbers and symbols, we just place the plus minus sign as an arithmetic. So like x plus y is equal to 3, 3 plus y is equal to x, a minus b is equal to 4, 4 minus m is equal to n. In the case of multiplication, we write the equations like, if we want to multiply x with y, then we write x times y. So we place a symbol in between x and y. And in other way, we can also write like just xy. So xy means in algebra that x times y. So In algebra, multiplication is a default operation. That means if no other arithmetic operation is shown between two symbols, then we have to think the numbers are being, or the symbols are being multiplied. Now even for A and B now, A times B means like we can write AB, because multiplication is the default operation in algebra. This is an important thing we must to know. Yeah. For division, we can use division sign between symbols and numbers like m divided by n, which can also be written as m oblique n. And in other case, 3 divides 4 is equal to 3 by 4. In the next class, we discuss about algebraic equations and many more things. Thank you.